The importance of early reading in kindergarten. Good day, everyone. Imagine a child opening a book for the very first time. Inside that book is a world full of adventure, imagination, and learning. But what if that child never learns how to read? What if that world remains closed forever? Today, I stand before you to emphasize the importance of teaching reading at an early age, especially in kindergarten. Research and experience show that early reading builds the foundation of all other learning areas. When children learn to read, they do not recognize letters and sounds. They develop comprehension skills, critical thinking, vocabulary, and confidence. Reading supports subjects like mathematics, science, and even social studies because understanding instructions and problems starts with reading. According to the Department of Education in the Philippines, early literacy is one of the key priorities in basic education. This shows how important it is for us educators and parents to work together in strengthening children's reading skills. Some may say they are still young, let them play. Yes, play is important, but learning to read can also be playful and fun. Through storytelling, phonics games, songs, and interactive activities, children can enjoy learning while building essential skills. If we invest time and effort in teaching reading early, we are not just teaching children how to pronounce words, we are giving them the power to understand the world. We are shaping confident learners who are ready for higher levels of education. So today, let us commit to making reading a priority. Let us read to children, read with children, and encourage children to love books. Because when a child learns to read, a door to endless opportunities opens. Thank you, and let us build readers one child at a time.